Welcome back. I've got another classic stunner for you. Today we're going to do chicken chasseur. We're going to make a classic chasseur sauce with bacon, mushrooms, shallots and tomatoes. We're going to serve it with Hasselback potatoes, some roasted purple broccoli sprouts, and we're going to serve it with a tarragon and parsley salsa verde. Lots of tips in this recipe, so let's do it. The best way to cut Hasselbacks is with a hollow wooden spoon, or any hollow spoon, then you can't cut through them, and a straight edge knife. Just put it in the wooden spoon and then just cut until you hit the wooden spoon. And the more slices you can do, the better and the faster the Hasselback will cook. And again, just cut thin slices. Try and make sure that all your slices are the same thickness, and then the potato will cook evenly. Drizzle with some olive oil. Season with sea salt and black pepper. So now we're just going to bake our Hasselbacks in a preheated oven of 170 degrees Celsius for about 25-30 minutes until they're tender, golden and nice and crispy. Okay, for this dish I'm going to use chicken thighs. I am not a fan of chicken breast. There simply isn't enough flavor. For me, the best piece of chicken is the chicken thigh. And I'm using them skin on and bone in, as that gives you the best result and the best flavor. When I cook chicken thighs, I cook them in their own fat. No butter, no oil, nothing. So I've got a saute pan on medium heat, and I'm just going to put my chicken thighs in there, skin down. And then I'm going to turn up the heat. I'm going to season my chicken thighs with sea salt and black pepper. So now I'm going to cook the chicken thighs in their own fat. You can see the fat is already rendering down. I'm just going to cook this now until the skin is nice, golden and crispy, and then we're going to turn them over. Let's check my skins. Yeah, and that's it. Nice and golden and crispy. My chicken is crispy and golden brown on both sides. Yeah, and I'm just going to remove it, and I'm going to stick it in the oven for the last 10 minutes with my Hasselback potatoes. I'm going to reduce the heat on my frying pan. I'm going to pop my chicken in the oven. Now we're going to make our chasseur sauce, or hunter sauce in English. And we're going to use all this amazing chicken fat and juices. First, I'm going to cut my bacon. And I'm using quite a bit of bacon. This is smoked streaky bacon. I'm going to add it to my frying pan. I'm going to fry off my bacon on a low heat. And this recipe will serve about 5-6 people, because I'm going to serve it to my family tonight. I'm going to add my baby shallots and maybe cut the bigger ones in half. And cook this sauce on a medium heat. I don't want everything to cook too fast, because everything gets too soft. And I want some texture in this sauce. I'm going to add my baby chestnut mushrooms, and again, I didn't slice them or dice them, just leave them in decent chunks. And I'm going to add my baby tomatoes. These are baby San Marzano tomatoes, I just halved them. And at the end, when the vegetables are nearly tender, I'm adding my garlic. Always add garlic at the end, otherwise it burns quite easily and it ruins the dish. And now I'm gonna add my stock. This is a reduced half and half beef and chicken stock. As usual, you find the details in the description below. Whilst my sauce is finishing, I'm gonna roast my purple broccoli sprouts. They literally only take 5-6 minutes in the oven, so I'm just gonna put them in the last 5-6 minutes with the Hasselbacks. So just drizzle with olive oil, season with sea salt and black pepper, nicely coated in the olive oil. And I'm just gonna put them with my Hasselbacks, and by grilling these in the oven, they keep their texture, they're nice and crunchy and packed with flavor. Okay, Hasselbacks are nearly done. Broccoli goes on with the Hasselbacks. So we're gonna make our salsa verde. I've got some fresh parsley and fresh tarragon. Very few ingredients in this. And also I don't want to blend it too smooth. I want it to be quite chunky. I'm only going to add 1 clove of garlic. Some fresh grated lemon zest. Some sea salt. And some black pepper. And I just want to put a tiny little bit of olive oil to hold the whole thing together, but like I said, I want it quite chunky. I don't want it to be too saucy. Okay, my sauce is done. I'm just gonna bind it with a few knobs of ice cold butter. Just stir them in. This is gonna thicken the sauce and make it creamy. This is a very French classic to finish off a sauce. They call it monté au beurre. Done. And switch off the heat. You don't want to cook this again because the sauce could split. I'm just gonna finish this off with some black pepper. This sauce does not need any more salt because the bacon was salty. The chicken had been seasoned with salt, so it really shouldn't need any more salt. Alright, let's take everything out of the oven. That's our Hasselbacks and our broccoli, and our chicken is done as well. Okay, all done. Let's plate this.